Most people will never sound powerful, not because they are lack of talent, but because they were never taught how to strengthen their own voice. This is the most important instrument in our lives. If we don't get taught how to strengthen it, not in a primary school, not in a high school, not in even your professional career, we're gonna reject it. So today in this video, I'm gonna share the most effective exercises that will strengthen your voice in a more powerful way. Number 1, lip flutter with no sound. You gotta do this. Do it for entire your breath, and you just repeat it again and do it for the 3 times. Number 2, lip flutter with a constant pitch. You just gotta make sound when you make the lip flutter. Do it for the 3 times. That will instantly clear your voice. So the last step is lip flutter. Do it with your favorite song, like do it for 1 times. Do it every day, these exercises. Then if you do for the 30 days, then you won't recognize your own voice. If you want more communication tips, please don't forget to subscribe it. So thank you everyone.